If you're looking for a way to streamline your workflow and make project scheduling easier, CoConstruct is here to help. In this video, we'll show you how this powerful tool can take your project scheduling to the next level, saving you time and keeping your projects on track. First things first, CoConstruct allows you to schedule projects with a level of precision that's tough to beat. You can easily break down tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress in real time. This not only keeps you organized, but ensures everyone on your team knows exactly what they're responsible for at any given time. Next thing, it integrates seamlessly with your entire project management flow. Unlike some tools that work in isolation, CoConstruct pulls together your budget, schedule, and selections in one platform, making sure all of your planning and scheduling is aligned. This means fewer mistakes and better communication across your team. The third thing that makes CoConstruct stand out is its ability to adjust to the ever-changing nature of construction projects. We all know how things can shift, and with CoConstruct, you can easily update timelines and assign new tasks as the project evolves. This flexibility allows you to stay on top of any changes without losing sight of deadlines. Next thing you'll appreciate is the communication feature. With CoConstruct, you can send messages and updates to your team members, contractors, or clients directly through the platform. This keeps everything in one place and minimizes the back-and-forth emails, allowing for quicker decision-making and fewer miscommunications. The fifth thing that makes CoConstruct ideal for project scheduling is its reporting tools. You can create custom reports that give you insights into how your project is performing, identify potential bottlenecks, and ensure you're staying within budget and on schedule. This data can be vital in making adjustments and delivering successful projects on time. Finally, you don't have to take our word for it. You can try CoConstruct completely free through the first link below, with an exclusive extended free trial that includes bonuses you won't find anywhere else. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out on the chance to see how CoConstruct can transform your project scheduling workflow. In conclusion, CoConstruct for project scheduling is a game changer. From improved team coordination to flexibility with changing timelines, it's the tool you need to keep projects running smoothly. Don't forget, you can grab your extended free trial and exclusive bonuses through the link below, so check it out and streamline your workflow today.